Alright everyone, we are here at Allure Auto Wash in Sandy, Utah, and we're gonna check out their car wash. Let's see. Let's keep going. It's in service, it looks like.
Oh, looks pretty beat.
Yeah. Well, this is a Hydrospray. It was my first Hydrospray Rainmaker, and I royally hate these things. So
hate these things? Why are we here?
Because I want to film it. But I'm gonna pause to see if I can walk through.
Card reader not
available. Cash only. That's dumb. Alright, well, I'm gonna pause and see if we can get a walkthrough. Okay, there's your pay station. Here's the door. I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna try to. You got a storage facility on the other side of the building. Oh, this side is shut. Or is it? Oh, never mind then. Superior spirit dryers. There's a leak. That's fun. There's your sign there. Here's the Rainmaker. Held together by a ratchet strap. There's your undercarriage. Is there an open button in here? Let's see. Yes, there is. Let's see if it works. I have to hold it. Alright. So now, let's go through it. The top wash is $7. Sounds like it's dying. That's always fun. Also, you can definitely tell we're the probably first customer of the day. spot free. Take a look at this. The dryer is dripping. So much for being a dryer. I didn't mention before, there's a timer. Not only did the dryer suck, it was actively blowing water onto the car. This is some high quality stuff. Okay, so what did you think of that one?
Not the best ever, to be honest.
Yeah, reminds me of the monorail. It's like the floating pool noodle that goes around the car.
Yeah, and I don't think the people on the camera can tell, but you were drenched.
I am
never
drenched.
seen you this wet. I've never seen you this wet after a car wash. Like, clearly this car wash was just wetting the whole neighborhood, not
It
just the
wastes
car.
a lot of water.
It does. I would say probably 5 out of 10.
I'd say 4 out of 10.
Okay, because it functions.
It
so-
functions, not well, but it functions. And to think that they still make these things.
That's so sad. But yeah, that's the...
Yeah, this is a pretty bad rainmaker.
Yeah.
Yeah, rainmaker. No kidding.
It rains everywhere.
Yeah. So, that is Allure Auto Wash. I don't recommend it. So, yeah, that's that. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.